Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today I am going to share about quick foldable clothes organizer, ultimate storage solution for home and travel. Are you tired of messy drawer and cluttered clothes? Say goodbye to this organization with our quick foldable clothes organizer. In this video we will show you how this versatile storage solution can transform your wardrobe and make packaging. For tips of bridge, discover the benefits of our multi grid storage organizer, perfect for sorting underwear, socks and small accessories. We will also demonstrate how our pouch organizer keeps your travel essential neatly packaging and easily assemble. Plus learn how our stretchable chair organize can maximize space and keep your home tidy. Join us as we explore the many uses of our quick foldable clothes organizer and see how it can revitalize the way you storage and organize your belonging. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more help tips and tricks to simplify your life.